What up YouTube, it's your boy Will Rider. I wasn't originally planning to make a video of this project, but it's too beautiful, so I had to share. I hope you enjoy. So this is it. It's my first coffee table I ever made. It's mahogany on the outside, it's a bunch of small pieces. This whole thing was made out of scrap wood. And then purple heart in the center here, and then flanked by some maple there. And you can see it's quite glossy. I used something new. I tried this stuff here. It's some kind of epoxy, and I didn't read the instructions. So the first time I laid a coat down, I had to scrape it all off because there's too many bubbles. You have to lay down a thin coat first to seal it. And then I poured a whole bunch on, and now it's pretty thick, 3 layers total. Looks like glass. I think it'll last a long time. This is actually made this for someone. I think they'll enjoy it. I'll show you the underside here, like the legs. And these aren't epoxy. This is all poly with a natural stain. All right, the whole bottom, the whole thing's sealed. I got my little stamp right here. And, it's finally dry. It took a long time. It's been stinky here in the garage. I really like it. I want to keep it, but I already made it for someone else, so I have to make another one. I kind of wish I did record making it because it was a fun project. I did some new joints I've never done. I did a little bit of what I call mid-century modern, whatever design. I don't really get too fancy with the things I make, so it was a fun project. I wish I recorded it. Now I'm pretty confident in most things I do. Woodworking is not one of those things because I am teaching myself. I've had basic knowledge from woodshop in the 8th grade, and that's about it, and just watching stuff on YouTube. So if there's something that you see that I'm doing that I could do better, please let me know. I am able to take criticism. I got thick skin. So if you like this video, go ahead and put your thumbs up. If you dislike it, hit that dislike button. And again, just tell me why. I'd like to know what I can change. And as always, thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.